celebrating veterans in our community since 1931. Also included are the VFW Post 2272 Lady Auxiliary. Oh, well, thank you. Got my good. Listen, my phone said it wasn't so great. Let's play. Robert L. Flynn, assembled number 0511, is the fourth degree of the Knights of Columbus. It is the patriotic degree of the order. Our members are all from Shiawassee County. Our honor guard is carrying the American flag, and our float resembles a Columbus ship. Hold up, buddy. Up next we have the City of Durand Mayor, Jeff Brand. And following the mayor, we have the 2025 Miss Railroad Days Queen, Jaden Carbasi, a 17-year-old senior at Durand High School, is a dedicated student leader, athlete, and active member of her community. She is the daughter of Julie and Rob Carbasi of Durand and has one sibling, Caleb. Jaden's passions include singing, spending time with family and friends, ATV riding, and community involvement. Throughout high school, she has been an engaged student, serving as executive board president of city government and participating in various organizations and competitions. The 2025 Durand Day attendant is Marissa Harper, an 18-year-old senior at Durand High School. She is a dedicated student athlete and active member of her community. She is the daughter of Ashley and Dan Harper of Durand and has two siblings, Axel and Timber. The 2025 Railroad Days Princess is Lucy Lockhart. She is an 8-year-old from Durand with a love for movement, creativity, and adventure, a second grader at Robert Kerr Elementary. She is the daughter of Ashley and Dave Lockhart and has two siblings, Jackson and Gabriella. The 2025 Durand Railroad Days Prince is Porter Shea. He is a 9-year-old from Durand with a love for sports, creativity, and animals. A fourth grader at Robert Kerr Elementary, he is the son of Molly and Tanner Shea. He has one sibling, Grady. This year being our 50th Railroad Days, our royalty alumni was invited to participate. They are being pulled by a team of horses from the Donald family Percherons of Toronto. They have had teams for 10 years and will participate this year at the Shiawassee County Fair for the 11th year with the teams and stories. They also hire their teams for weddings, parties, Polar Express, among other events. Next up, the 2024 Beautiful Baby Overall Contest winner is JJ Wheeler. He is 20 months old. He loves cars and basketball. His favorite food is macaroni and cheese from Union Station Smokehouse. The 2025 Durand Railroad Day Person of the Year is Joe Cooney. Joe started working for Grand Trunk Western in 1970 on the Water Service Department located on Oak and Brand Street inside the old grocery house. He then moved to the engine house as a laborer and then a mechanic on diesel locomotives. This working arrangement suited him just fine, and his house is directly behind the site of the old roundhouse. Next up, the Durand Chamber of Commerce is proud to announce the 2025 Citizens of the Year, Bruce and Lori Benson. Ruth and Lori are a true definition of community champions. Their dedication to Durand runs deep, and their contributions can be seen across nearly every chamber event and initiative. Both are active board members of the Greater Durand Area Chamber of Commerce Community Foundation and serve on several key committees, including the Downtown Party, annual golf outing, building committees, and end of summer crew. Their behind the scenes work often goes unrecognized, but the impact they've made on Durand is lasting and significant. Congratulations, Bruce and Lauren. Sponsor of all-female race team, the Durand Race Team number 38 car. The all-female race team is from Morris, Michigan, and primarily races at the newly remodeled Owasso Speedway. Next is the Shia Alley Clown Club, Oil Cans, DJ Hattie Pancake, Orange Blossom, GD, Sparkles, Dragon Andy, and Kiddo Love to bring smiles to everyone's faces. Give a smile and a high five when you see them. For more than 55 years, Kathy School of Dance has been a cornerstone of dance education in the community. Under the leadership of current director and owner Rebecca Svanik Love, who made the inspiring journey from student to owner over 25 years ago, Kathy School of Dance continues to thrive, shaping the lives of more than 200 dancers annually. At Kathy School of Dance, we pride ourselves on providing exceptional training in the supportive and upbeat environment. Our students not only build strong dance techniques, but also lifelong friendships and confidence. Each year, all dancers showcase their talent in our beloved spring recital, and many also compete at the regional level. This year, we're thrilled to be heading to nationals in Chicago this June. Whether in the studio or on the stage, Kathy School of Dance is more than a dance school. It's a community where passion, positivity, and performance come together. Next are the Cub Scouts from PAC 84 in Durand. They serve as kindergarten through 5th grade boys and girls in Durand, Byron, and surrounding areas. We enjoy lots of indoor and outdoor events and community service to create a well-rounded future generation. Check out our Facebook page for upcoming events and how to join. Next is the Boy Scout Troop 84 of Durand. They hope everyone is having a wonderful time. Wave to them in the multiple ways as they serve the community. They host boys interested in scouting from 6th to 12th grade. Find them online or through Facebook. The Scouts work on many core values in life as they prepare for the future. John Walworth of Durand is up next with a 1926 Chevrolet Superior 4-door Touring, all-original 2.8-liter engine. This model was manufactured from 1924 to 1928. Next is Lois Walworth of also of Durand. She is here in the 1989 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, 4-speed automatic L98
57OHV. Just kidding, she's not here.
The Durand Eagles 3851 are joining us next. People helping people.
The Durand High School and Middle School competitive robotics teams are up next. They are supported by the Durand Area Schools, State of Michigan, the Durand Educational Foundation, Riverside Market, BB Custom Machining, Fire Electric Service Team, Cal Chiropractic of Owasso, Elrose Field, Shaw's Pharmacy, Cofield Oil and Propane, and Stein Turf and Snow.
New this year is the Blue Freckles Farm from Owasso. They offer horse-drawn wagon rides for parties or events. They also have a petting zoo.
Here we have the Durand Senior Care and Rehab Center, where compassion meets excellence. Our dedicated team provides exceptional care and support to enhance the lives of our residents. In Live Lovely 1915 Overland, we have Janine and Terry, the President and Vice President of Residential Council. Durand Senior Care and Rehab Center wants you to know we are here to serve our community, and remember, thank you for being a friend.
Next is Karen Goodrich and Rodney Line driving a 1952 E3 coupe with a wood buzzsaw for cutting firewood and is pulling a small livestock trailer that was built in the 50s on a 1932 DeSoto front axle.
Since 1921, 140 years, Simplicity has provided vibrating equipment into virtually every industry requiring the separation of materials into various sizes. With a strong legacy of providing the highest quality equipment, we are proud to be the preferred brand for appliances ranging from rock quarries to mines and from industrial minerals to food applicators. This year, Simplicity is celebrating 100 years of manufacturing in Durand. Walking alongside the equipment today is Terex Simplicity team members. Next up is the president of the Durand Cruisers Club, Jim Thompson, driving his sparkling red 1988 Chevrolet Corvette. Next is Dave Long, driving his 2007 Silver Corvette. Dave is also a member of the Durand Cruisers Car Club. Up next is Willie Judy with one of two classic vehicles in the parade. This one is a 1973 Chevy. Next is Lynn Judy's 1964 Chevy truck. Willie and Lynn are also both members of the Durand Cruisers Car Club. Next is Christine Eckleberry, and she is driving a 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Rally 350. Its color is Sebring yellow with orange and black striping. This car was made in Lansing, Michigan, and is considered an orphan as Oldsmobile is no longer around. Paulette Dover, also a Durand Cruisers member, is driving her 2008 Smart Car, the Humblebee.
Also members of the Durand Cruisers Club are Brian and Faye Hawkins. They are driving a 1965 Pontiac GTO. This is one of the cars that started the muscle car era.
Finishing the Durand Cruisers Club collection is Brad Gilson driving a 1970 Chevrolet El Camino Super Sport 454.
Returning again this year is the Durand Global Methodist Church. Yeehaw! VBS is June 16th to the 18th, 2025. The 18th will be Nerf and Nachos. Come and enjoy the fun. Look for the flyer in your candy bag. Register online at durandgmc.org.
Risen Life Church is a fellowship of individuals and families seeking to share the love and hope of Christ with its community. We are Christ-centered and family-focused, offering worship, featuring hymns and contemporary music and Bible studies with resources for all ages. We strive to reach those in need through ministries like our community closet, special need ministry, and other teach opportunities, including Operation Christmas Child. Our mission is to prove a safe and supportive place for your family to learn and grow in their faith. Your family matters. We welcome you.
Representing the Rick Cards for Cancer show is Maria and John Huggins. This 1969 Chevy Malibu Chevelle is the 2025 second place winner and the 2019 Hub's Choice winner.
Tallahassee County Dog Program kids come from all over the area and show AKC, UKC, and 4-H. We are always looking for new members and volunteers.
Next we have the 2025 Montrose Blueberry Festival Queen and Court.
Up next, introducing the Church of Action, Durand Church of God, as we celebrate the Year of Favor. We invite you to any of our events, including open gym with sports of any kind, picnics on the ground, or attend any of our ministries that help you grow in faith, including Bible studies, disciple classes, children's church, and a youth group that is united with power according to Acts 1:8. We're also excited to host this year's Special Needs Prom on June 21st. Looking for more? Join us every Sunday at 11 a.m. or Wednesdays at 7 p.m. for worship as we share the hope and love of Jesus.
For freedom, and they can't take that away.
Next is the Durand Area Youth Baseball and Softball Association. They are a nonprofit baseball and softball organization that has been serving the community of Durand for over 40 years. They also serve the surrounding areas of Vernon, Lennon, Bancroft, and more. They welcome boys and girls from pre-K through 11th grade of all skill levels. Sign-ups start annually in February. Their season runs April to mid-July. Follow them on Facebook for more details.
Up next is the Tallahassee County Fair. They are excited to thrive in 25. Join Queen Madeline Epsteck and attendant Allison Zadunik, also Railroad Days Royalty alumni, along with thousands of exhibitors on August 3rd through the 9th for a real county fair. Livestock shows, carnival rides, fair food, vendors, and grandstand shows. Come check us out.
Next is the Durand Region AYSO 814 Soccer. These are all my people and they're awesome. We have been serving the community for 32 years and we have children from ages 2.5 to 15. Check out our website at ayso814.org.
Up next, we have the Durand Clay Target and Trap team joining us from the middle school and high school. They're not here.
The First Congressional Church is celebrating 129 years right here in beautiful downtown Durand. Your friends and neighbors at First Congressional Church welcome everyone to Railroad Days. We hope you enjoy the festivities and invite all of you to join us for worship every Sunday at 10 a.m. We are saving you a seat at the point of Saginaw and Washtenaw Streets. Learn more at www.durandchurch.com.
Shiawassee Strawberry Festival is celebrating their third annual. It will be held June 21st, 22nd, 2025. Youth Day is Saturday, June 21st, with over 15 interactive free events. Sunday is Back to the Bricks with Chi-Town on stage. $5 parking is all you need. Did I mention 400 cases of strawberries?
New this year are the owners of L&H Vending, Holly and Lauren. They are close members of the community and are members of the Shiawassee Chamber. They would love to service your business with vending machines, snack boxes, or fill up a fridge, anything you may need.
Returning to the parade this year is Miss Davison 2024, Merrick Spiwa, and is Miss Davison Court Haley Jose and Brianna Bell. They represent Davison and the Festival of Flags. This year's festival is June 4th through the 8th, 2025. Davison is known as the City of Flags. The Miss Davison Scholarship Pageant has been crowning excellence since 1938. The pageant is one of the oldest in Michigan and has awarded over $40,000 in scholarships. The Davison Area Chamber of Commerce formed in 1951 and sponsored a number of community events, including the Festival of Flags. These ladies travel throughout the mid-Michigan area representing Davison and promoting the Festival of Flags.
Please welcome the Shiawassee County Democratic Party. We are proud to be back in Durand, home to many of our members and supporters. Just last month, we packed the historic Durand Union Station for a sold-out fundraiser, and we are thrilled to continue showing up for this great community. Our float celebrates the power of voting, rural progress, and shared values that connect us all. Fairness, freedom, and a better future for our families. Thank you, and warm welcome to Durand, and happy Railroad Days.
Next up is the Shiawassee Council of Aging. They are representing the seniors in the county, offering services to anyone 60 or older. We have 3 locations, Durand, Morris, and Owasso. They strive to help seniors stay independent.
Returning to the parade this year is Davis Cartage Company, celebrating 84 years in business. Davis Cartage Company of Owasso proudly showcases its history with their 1941 Ford Stake truck, a tribute to decades of reliable service. From warehousing to transportation, Davis Cartage Company keeps businesses moving, whether it's across town or around the globe.
Next is the First Baptist Church of Durand. They have faithfully ministered in Shiawassee County for 140 years. They have various programs for adults, teens, and kids. Vacation Bible School for Children will be held July 20th through the 24th. Come join the fun.
Next are the Durand High School and Middle School girls softball teams. They are always growing and thriving. They have a huge group of talented ladies that work hard and show dedication. The biggest goal is to not only grow their skills, but to see the best version of themselves that they can be. Coaches are honored to have such a wonderful group. Come support the varsity team May 31st at New Roseville High School for district starting at 10 a.m. Go Blue! Varsity is coached by Crystal Peck, Courtney Jones, and Rob Kavarsi. JV is coached by Adriana Hammer, Pastor David Loyalty, and Rich Winston. Middle school is coached by Hannah McCartney and Alicia Dima.
Joining us this year is the Duran baseball team. They are coached by the amazing Aaron Demos.
The American Red Cross Hiawassee Service Center, located at 1480 North M21, Suite 1 in Hiawassee, Michigan, serving your local community. The Red Cross provides community disaster education and disaster response services. The disaster team uses the emergency response vehicle that you see here in parade to serve families impacted by disaster. The Red Cross also conducts more than 80 blood drives per year in Hiawassee County, collecting over 3,700 units of blood. We train community members in life safety skills. The Red Cross makes a difference around the world, across our country, and down the street in our neighborhood.
Next is the Heart of Michigan's Antique Tractor Club. They consist of local farmers and families in the community who rebuild and preserve antique tractors and farming equipment. Genesee Valley Tractor Collectors Club. They were established in 1990 to promote the interest of the public in the preservation and restoration of antique tractors, their accessories, sport, and literature.
And around the parade, we have the Orange Fire Red